Welcome to Sakr online store. Scroll the homepage to find out more about us. You can shop by category. You can also search by brand. Here you can find all our contact details, all payment options, and courier services. You can also compare two products by clicking on this icon. Here you can search for your item by typing exact keywords. Just type your product name, you will find exact or relative product. You can also search by category. Here are all our range of products in the shop page. You can also filter by any category. You can also filter by brand. Once you find your product, just click either Add to Cart or Quotation or go to the product page. Now you can click on Buy Now or Add to Cart. Now go to the cart page. Now add or remove quantity or products from your cart. Now go to the checkout page. You must fill all the required information so you can make your order. Click on Create an account. Make sure you read the privacy policy and terms and conditions, then click on Confirm reading. Now check your total order quantity and amount and choose your payment option. Congratulations, you have made your first order. Now make sure you have this order number. Now go to the track order page to check for your order status. Now type your order number and your email address. We hope you enjoy your purchasing journey, waiting for your next order. For more information or you want any help, kindly reach us at sales@alsakronline.com.